Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Hilbert Group establishes Coin360 joint venture with Cointelegraph and Chiron Partners. Web Summit returns to the live event to delve deeper into crypto. Walmart installs 200 Bitcoin ATMs in the US. Banks in Spain are interested in providing crypto assets to their customers. Bitcoin flash crashes on Binance US thanks to an algorithm error. Now let's dive into the details. Hilbert Group establishes Coin360 joint venture with Cointelegraph and Chiron Partners. Sweden-based Hilbert Group, US-based Cointelegraph, and Asia-based investment group Chiron Partners will launch a new Coin360 business. Under this joint leadership, Coin360 will expand its suite of products into a full-service market data provider, covering the full spectrum of digital assets, including decentralized finance, DeFi, unusable tokens, NFTs, and security tokens offerings for both institutional and retail merchants. Under the new agreement, Coin360, a 4 million monthly visit cryptocurrency market data provider known for its iconic heat map, will become a three-party joint venture. Web Summit returns to the live event to delve deeper into crypto. The major global technology conference, Web Summit, is returning to Portugal with a live event to delve deeper into the world of fintech and crypto. Web Summit fintech expert Sean Keeley told Cointelegraph that the crypto industry had become one of the most talked about topics in recent years, primarily covered at the pitch. Our events change every year, but one area that stays current is crypto. We have seen an enormous shift in the fintech world from various digital currencies and decentralized finances to the introduction of unusable tokens and the question of how environmentally sustainable cryptocurrencies are. Walmart installs 200 Bitcoin ATMs in the United States. Walmart has partnered with Coinstar and exchange CoinMe to install 200 Bitcoin ATMs in its stores in the United States. Though the test only ended at 200, according to Bloomberg, Walmart plans to install up to 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs. CoinATM Radar reports that there are currently over 25,000 Bitcoin ATMs in select grocery stores and gas stations across the United States. Coinstar operates 4,400 Bitcoin ATMs in 33 states. Banks in Spain are interested in providing crypto assets to their customers. Spanish banks are interested in providing Bitcoin services to their clients and plan to comply with forthcoming laws. Spanish banks are already on pace to register for the Bank of Spain's list of virtual asset service providers and custody organizations, which must be completed by October 29th. The Bank of Spain stated that it would distribute the paperwork and instructions for interested parties in the future register, but it did not. As a result, banks are unsure if they need to re-register under applicable legislation. Banks in Spain currently comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Therefore, re-registration, according to some experts, should not be required for banks to provide crypto services. Bitcoin flash crashes on Binance thanks to an algorithm error. Bitcoin flash crashed on Binance when the coin price on the exchange fell from $60,000 to $8,000 thanks to an algorithm error, as we read more on our latest Bitcoin news today. After the price of BTC hit an all-time high, it fell 5.5% last day. But Binance US traders were shocked when the Bitcoin flash on the platform failed to $8,000. The US exchange announced that a bug caused the flash crash on the trading platform.